Good afternoon, guys. So just a very quick update on the Terranza Residences. So we are now witnessing currently it is still going on. They are I think they are working double time until maybe late at night. So you could see there the crane is working on lifting of the materials going up. Currently there is if we count from the first floor, so this is the second, the third and the fourth, so it is in progress is the fifth and sixth floor. While in this area right here is currently on the fourth floor. Previously, when we did the update, this area right here doesn't exist yet, so it's only the main tower like this one. So now we have a visible structure, which is this area. And there is another crane here. I think this is for lifting of other construction materials, while the main taller crane is the one that's getting all the materials from the ground and going up to the current floor. It is actually around 5:30 p.m. so usually the construction stops at 5 p.m. But now they're working until the night time. And you have something like maybe a payloader also working just behind the wall on the ground level. So this is just about it for now. A very short update on the current progress of the Terranza Residences. Thank you for watching, guys.